I'm happy to be here in Belfast today for this event that we have co-organized together with Belfast Harbour, Redshift Associates and the UK Space Agency. It has been a wonderful event. We have heard about the challenges faced by the maritime sector, by ports authorities and stakeholders related to decarbonisation and green transition.
Belfast has a vibrant and growing space sector, and that sector is now entering into the field of maritime more and more, not just in terms of AIS and vessel tracking, but also to help us push the envelope a little further in sustainability.
The maritime portfolio of business application and space solution project is growing more and more, and we have already supported more than 100 projects in the last 10 years.
It was an event with a lot of win-win solutions for the industry, that they know what are the funding opportunities, and also for us to promote the uptake of space data.
When you start to bring all of these services together in a coherent approach, then I think we are pushing the boundaries of what can be done to monitor air pollution, to monitor greenhouse gas emissions from ports and harbours.
My main takeaways from today's event in Belfast is that there are many entities across the UK that are trying to fight the climate crisis, particularly in the maritime sector. Although the maritime sector is one of the best in terms of the amount of emissions it releases, due to it being such a large establishment, there is still much work to be done. With that in mind, I've noticed that there are still many companies here today that are trying to push innovation in these areas and try and fight that problem. And we are seeing that there are many public sector bodies that are trying to aid them in that fight.